Hey besties, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into POPCAT Solana's price action on the daily chart. Things are heating up and we've got some exciting signals that could point to where this coin is heading next. So let's break it down, friends, key levels, and what to expect for POPCAT in the near future. Let's dive right in. All right, so PopCat right now, PopCat Solana is trading at $1.50. We are just below 0.87 for 24 hours. Market cap, we're at 1.47 billion, and volume here is key, is 245 million. So we know PopCat itself for Solana is constantly getting traction in the last couple of days. And taking a look at some of our indicators that I have laid out for the chart here, I'm going to try breaking it as simple as it can get. So two moving averages I'm using is 20 and 50. So 20 is the white line and the 50 is the orange line. So it is indicating a strong bullish trend. The price has consistently used the 20 moving averages as a dynamic support. So we've been using this and bouncing off it very, very nicely right here, here, and here. And we are continuously making a lot of lower highs in this essential ascending triangle. So here's our chart pattern, our ascending triangle. We've got a resistance level of $1.50, and we have seen this retest a few times here. Came a little short on October 7th. However, it is continuously making a lot of higher highs and all-time highs for PopCat. So we are most likely going to see a retest of this resistance. And again, if we are continuously going into this bullish momentum and see that momentum for our volume, we are most likely going to be closing above it. Now, with the 20 moving average, we are using, again, it as a dynamic support, suggesting buyers are still firmly in control of this market. This upward crossover from the moving average 20, and we have our moving 50, indicated a reversal. Now, back here in September 9th, of course, we know it was a bullish reversal, as a lot of indicators and obviously the price itself has gone up. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is the actual spaces in between our 20 and our 50. So we can see, again, closing in, it crosses over, and then it gradually moves further apart. The way that it moves further apart, that's going to measure our momentum. So if we continuously see a retest of our resistance line, again at $1.53, and we see the momentum of our 20 and the 50 moving averages move further apart, making this gap even bigger, then we know that the momentum itself is going to be clearly outlined for us, and we're going to close above our resistance line. Another thing here that we are going to be using is our Fibonacci retracement levels as an area or a key area for support. So we can see already we had broken up at our 100%. Obviously, in the next couple of days, we're going to move our retracement level or fib all the way up to this higher point that we have made, but I'm just going to securely put it down here because our target for this uptrend or this bullish uptrend is going to be $1.90. That's essentially where we're going to see ourselves so long as the momentum continues. Now, another thing as well that I want you guys to pay attention to, and I know, if you've been on this channel, I've been always using the RSI as an indicator for overbought and oversold, but most importantly, seeing our signal line here. So I'm going to open this up for our RSI at the very top here. We can see the white line is our RSI number and the yellow line is our signal line. We can see that they are closing in. Most importantly, the RSI itself has retraced from the 65%. Normally, we would always see 70% up to this line here and then coming down as considered as overbought. But because we see it here retracing downwards of the all-time high, we are most likely going to see a retracement and we're going to see some consolidation here. So we're going to see coming down to the 78%. We're going to see the price coming down from our resistance level, coming down closer to that 78%. And this is key here, is that we don't close below the 78%. If we do close below the 78%, then we potentially broke this bullish uptrend. But what I am hoping to see, and where I am seeing it in the price or the indicators that I am using, it is most likely going to head up to the $1.90. What we want to make sure is that the volume itself does pick up. It does show us a lot of momentum, a lot of growth, but most importantly, a buyer's interest, confirming the break above 154. So we are going to see some of that, consolidation, some of that back pull because of that all-time high. So long as we are keeping a lot of lower highs, maybe hopefully stopping closer to the 140 price, seeing that price bounce up, and then coming up and retesting the 155. This is key, is retesting the 155. If we see a lot of candles closing above 155, retesting this nicely as a support, then we are going to hit the 190. Again, once we close above the 155, retest this area as an area of support before we can jump to the 190. So essentially the uptrend is continuously into play. We have to see some short-term signals in order for us to confirm that breakout. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for the welcome back. I'm so happy I'm doing the technical analysis. I was kind of shifting a little bit over there, but who knows? Let me know what coins you guys want me to cover in my return. Thank you again for the big welcome, and thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.